In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Card Slider in Card. We'll build a simple, clean slider using Card's slideshow element so you can showcase images like cards without any code. Start by logging into Card and opening the project where you want the slider to live. Once your canvas is visible, look up to the top toolbar and click the Add button. From the list of elements, choose Slideshow. This adds a slideshow block to your page. Click the block to open its editor so you can configure it. Let's load your first card. Upload your first image. Aim for consistent dimensions across all images to keep the layout tidy, ideally the same width and height for every card. After the image uploads, adjust the crop so key content isn't cut off, then confirm to add it to the slideshow. To create the next card, look toward the bottom of the editor and click Add to insert a new slide. Upload your second image and align the crop to match the first. Consistency helps the slider feel smooth and professional. Repeat the process for your third image. Add a new slide, upload the image, and set the crop. You can always replace an image later if something doesn't look right. Now let's fine-tune motion. Go to the Transitions section. Here you can choose how the slider moves from one card to the next. Crossfade blends two images together for a soft, modern look. Fade briefly dims before revealing the next card, which can feel a bit more distinct. Instant swaps images immediately with no visual effect, great for a snappier, minimal feel. Pick the style that best fits your site's tone. Adjust the duration to control pacing. Shorter durations feel energetic. Slightly longer ones let viewers take in details. There's no single right answer. Use what suits your content and audience. When you're satisfied, click Done to close the editor. Save your changes, then use Preview to see the slider in action exactly as visitors will. Check that crops look consistent, transitions feel right, and the timing matches your goal. If something needs a tweak, just jump back into the slideshow block and refine. That's all it takes to make a polished card slider in Card. Add the slideshow, upload your images, choose a transition, set the timing, and preview. Save those changes, and you're ready to show off your content with a clean, engaging slider.